Welcome to XSPA Wallet. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to activate your XSPA Virtual Card and pay the $29 card fee using crypto. First, open your XSPA Wallet app. From the home screen, navigate to the Card section. Tap on Apply for Virtual Card to start the process. Next, complete the KYC process by entering all required details and submitting the verification information. Once your details are approved, your card will be activated. To activate your XSPA Virtual Card, you need to pay the $29 card fee. The good news? You can now pay this fee using multiple cryptocurrencies. You can pay the $29 card fee using stablecoins, USDT, USDC, native coins, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Tron, BNB, Solana, Polygon, and many more. This gives you more flexibility and a seamless crypto payment experience. Once your payment is confirmed on the network, your XSPA Virtual Card will be activated instantly. You can now access your XSPA Virtual Card directly inside the wallet and start using it for everyday online payments and digital purchases. You can also add your card to Apple Pay and Google Pay, making it even easier to pay directly from your phone anytime, anywhere. Activate your XSPA card.